So here we are off to the adventure of fishing with Joey, my little brother. So here he is. Make sure you subscribe to his channel. It's a little bit early, so I'm get woken up by this thing right here, and then we get to popping. All right, later. First off, we gotta stop and get some breakfast.
Oh, sandwich.
Yep, this is the boat we gonna be on. A little small, you know, but it'll do. There we go.
Good morning.
Hey!
I thought that was you up there. Is that your twin?
Let me get 3 pounds, ma'am. A big size, huh?
Yeah, that's all we got.
It's okay.
We are on the boat, ready to go fishing, heading out to the sea. Yeah, we are. Let's go. So we're here at the spot, our fishing spot, with my brothers. We're going fishing today. Look, there's Joey here, Captain Joey. Yeah, subscribe to his channel, Joey Tiet. Look it up. I'll put the description up above. There's Kenny right there. Say what up, Kenny?
Yo, what up?
Yep. That's Kenny. Kenny's DUI. Do it yourself. My brother right here, he's showing us how to rig up his line.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette.
The heavier one.
Getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect.
It's about to be gone.
So I caught my first fish right here of the day. What we call this? This is a flounder. Let me show you if I can catch it right here. See that? Man, pan fry this with some tomatoes. Yep, let me show you a good shot. Good. Yeah, it's pretty good size. But don't drop it in the boat.
That don't count as it falls, bro.
So what we got here? Look at that blue crab on the line.
Failed.
All right, Tony got a fish on, buddy. Lấy cái giọt kìa mà. Ủa quên đem cái giọt hả? Coi đó ngon cái gì? Ngon. Ê, mà lên, Kenny. Oh yeah, Tony dude. Sheepshead is the stuff. Yeah, what you call that? Hold on one second.
Sheepshead.
Oh yeah.
We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight.
Guys, I'm about to call it a day for the fishing. See that big old cloud up behind me? Yep, it's chasing us down. So we can go pack up and go to the boat ramp, load the boat up, and we're gonna go get some veggies and ingredients, and we're gonna cook it up. All right, stay tuned. loves, welcome to the show. I'm Tony Two-Ton, and we are about to clean this sheephead right here. I caught over the weekend. It's still slimy, fresh, never frozen. Caught it down Lake Charles with my brothers. So we're gonna clean it, and then we're gonna cook it on the grill. I got the grill all nice and hot, put it on high heat. The way we clean this is there's a down the spline. Flip this over. There's a spline right here. We're just gonna fillet it. Then at the tail, you want to go all the way through and slice it out. Finish it down. Hey, that's it, guys. See that piece of meat? Now, we take the knife, go along from the tail, and go up the skin. That's it. See that piece of meat, fillet? White meat. Put it on the side. Next, you want to do the other side. Perfect piece of meat. Looks good. And set that aside. I'm going to clean this up first. Then we'll be right back. So guys, after you finish filleting it, you want to wash it. And then go get a napkin. You will pat it dry. We got two beautiful fillets here. Pat it dry. Just like that. Then we have here lemon pepper. Some lemon pepper on there. Both sides. Then we got garlic salt. Put some of that on there. That's it, guys. Then, piece of foil big enough to fit both of these on. Well, then we got a stick of butter. We want to get maybe just a tablespoon of this butter, unsalted butter. Just put it on top, and we're gonna fold it up, make the edge off. Here we go, guys. That's it. Simple, easy, and you will love it. And then so we're gonna pop this right in the grill, and then 10 to 15 minutes, and it'll be all finished. So let's go pop in the grill. And lay it on top. Just like that.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger.
So here you go, guys. The finished product. 10 to 15 minutes on the grill. Super easy and delicious. First bite. So fresh. The lemon pepper flavor with a hint of garlic salt gives it so much good flavor. Butter too. It's so delicious. Easy and simple. Very good. Easy on the grill. I put the grill on low, medium, low heat. 10 to 15 minutes. And that's it, guys. Well, if you like the recipe, smash the like button for me. And if you like my show, please consider subscribing. And I'll see you next time, alright? Bye. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye.
To listen, I need you to hear, and don't show any fear.